Okay, so looking at oil here, it is now bullish. Wow, so it's above the moving average and it's approaching the $80 level. So I'm actually going to move these. This is the monthly range, and I believe it's pretty much done. It's about $13, so we'll put this to this. Yeah, so it's right at the $80 mark, and it's now bullish because it's crossed over this moving average. So, but we can see it's, the last 3 days it is rejecting the $80 a little bit, the $80 level. So I'm going to draw this here. Actually, no, I'll delete this. I'm going to look at this on a higher time frame. Yeah, so last few weeks for oil, the last 5 weeks have been pretty bullish. There's an area up here, around the $82 level that will most likely function as resistance. But until it gets up to that point, I mean, it probably is still pretty bullish. Like, it's, this entire month, it did move pretty much its full monthly range. You can see here, this is the beginning of July, so it's a tiny bit short. Like, it's moved $10.60, and it usually moves about $13.27. It's tracking for, so I mean, it's only a few dollars off of its normal monthly range. This $80 level, I mean, price does usually gravitate towards whole levels, and then it finds its significant resistance and support at those levels. So sitting at $80 right now, in the last 3 days, it has rejected this price. So there is a chance that it sells off after this, and a big part of the price of oil is dictated by the value of the dollar. So if the dollar keeps pulling back and moving downwards, then oil's going to come up. But at the same time, with economic slowdown, interest rates, and a lot of other factors that play into the price of oil, it is tough to determine the overall long-term outlook. But as of right now, I would say oil is bullish. It's above the moving average. It's presented a lot of bullish momentum, even going at this $80 level. I mean, today's printing a pretty big bull candle, so we'll see if it breaks this $80 level and closes above it. If it does, it's probably going to 83, and then from that point we'll assess it. I don't know. I would not immediately buy it at this level, like at the $83 level, but I think the most likely next play is oil carrying upwards to this $83 level, and then maybe looking to short it. The dollar might start gaining strength, or might start gaining strength at that time, and pushing oil back down once it gets to this $83 level. But I think until then, if you wanted to get in on this position, you wanted to buy oil, I think it is a safe bet all the way up to $83. I think there's enough momentum so far. It doesn't look like it's really slowing down. I mean, today it's presenting a bullish engulfing candle over yesterday, so I think the buying momentum is still definitely there for oil, and I think it will continue to do so up to the $83 level.